Kasi ikini ang sulat no. Ito na ko. Ay. Dito oh, nindot dire. Pabilisan ng lupa dito kahit dito lang. Diyan mo ako at patayin mo. Yay. Let's go. Ah! Ang sama ni. Tara. Aisa. Sina. Tara. Ay! Oh my God! Asa na?
Ha, dari ah.
Atong dako ba? Ay, la, isa. Ako. Oh my God! Here. Nagnan eh.
Yan.
Dili pa ata.
Kuhain yan.
Ano na to? Sinugnan eh.
Yan.
Ay, isa ha. Wow. Ay, try. Wala ko pa.
Nga dito sa balay.
Harap lang to siya sa any lugar na siya. Harap siya sa walang makaano na. Ayun siguro sa
Akuanan. Kagi ato maaro.
Mama, butanganan.
patong, kay patong.
Ano bangko ganiya be?
Wala man niya yung amang Kaya na unta. Naman di ba?
Ganun. Mahulog yun. Magamit ang ispan, pag-picture tayo.
Ang usa kay naga-TikTok nito ah.
Oo. Sa outside. Ayun, pam.
Yay. Let's go. Ah! Ang sama ni. Tara.
Naaral ba yan?
Dito diha.
Waang. Tama na na.
Oh, nagbuka sa winaray. Art, unsay gusto nimo sa Pasko?
Amaran. Ano ba na day remote?
Truck na the remote, guys.
Dara remote.
Ikaw unsa man gusto nimo?
Notebook.
Notebook, unsay notebook na notebook?
Notebook ba? Wala na ko notebook.
Agoy, wala no mo notebook.
Papili gamita. Wala mo.
Ikaw, ano sa gusto nimo?
Ballpen gamitin niya.
Wala.
Ay, lapis.
Okay, she like notebook. And this one, art, he like
Cellphone, tapos
Usa.
remote na truck.
the remote na truck. Okay, noted. Hi guys, welcome to the countryside. This is Ate's house. Ayan. This is my friend. That is Laura Vlog. Oh, Laura Vlog, yeah. And that is Ate. This is Mylene. Mylene place. Okay. See, we have a lot of ano there. What's that? Buko. Okay. Coconut. Welcome here and these kids. Hello. She have 3 kids. Okay. And this is the simple house. Okay. And welcome here guys to the countryside because look, Art is there. Hi, you say hi Art. Okay, she is 5 years old. What are you doing? Be careful, ha? Okay, so look at this. My Starlink, okay, I put it here. I want to show you guys my Starlink. I put it here. Okay, I put it here, my Starlink. And as you can see there, they have a lot of ano here. Of food actually. A lot. This is my EcoFlow. This is my EcoFlow. It's now 26%. Okay. My Starlink. Ayan. So guys, I like this place. I will be back here again. Okay. Eated chicken. And look at this. They have some. Okay, a lot of coconuts. Okay. See, they have kalabasa. They have kalabasa. Oh, this one is squash, okay? Squash. Countryside. Okay. So, we're going home, but we will come back again next time. Yeah, the Art said we're going back tomorrow. Oh my God. Hi, power! Oh my God! A lot of fruits guys. Banana. What else? They can cook here also. They are cooking here. This is the chicken. Ayan. They have lots of chicken here. Ayan. See, a lot of... What is that again? Pomelo. Okay. Chicken. And they have some pigs. Okay. Look at that. Okay. This is the countryside, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. We're going home. Okay.